Let's start with the game loop. The game loop, we want to draw the worm head. Let's do that first. Draw worm head. Okay, that's this. Simple. Set the right color. Go to the current position for the worm head, worm X and Y, and write the head. That's it. What else do we need to make the worm move? Okay. Draw worm body on head position. We need to move the worm head. Okay, that's pretty much it. Draw worm body on head position. Draw worm body on head position. Here we got it. Once again, yellow, go to the coordinate worm X and worm Y and write a body part over the head at the current position. Then we would like to move the head of the worm, and then whenever we loop, or when we come back to this part, since we're looping this, we will draw a new worm head, then draw a body on the current position, move the head, draw the head, and so forth. Let's try it. Move worm head is the next thing we need to do. Move worm head. Okay. Alright, so we store an O at the current position in the grid. This was, as you remember, to be able to determine later whenever you hit yourself. If you do. Okay, we're using a switch. If the current is a new variable which keeps track of the direction we're moving in, so we need the current variable. Here it is. And the type will be direction. So we need an enum for the directions. Up 1, down 2, left 3, right 4. Current will be of the direction type, and we set it to right. So the start direction will be to the right. Move worm head. Here we go. So we switch over current, and if it's up, we decrease the worm Y, down, increase worm Y, etc. Left for X, and right to increase worm X. Okay, now we have a new position for the head. We add this to the worm double array to keep track of the new position, to be able to later delete the tail. And the reason that this part is not down here next to this line is because later we will check if the current position of worm X and Y has anything written on this position, then the game will be over. So if we move the position first, then add this, the program will say, oh, you hit something. But what actually happened was that we just wrote the new, or stored the new position for the worm, which does not mean that we hit ourselves. Okay, a little bit tricky, but that's it. Move worm head. Alright, we should be able to try this. The name game over does not exist in the current context. Okay, we need a game over variable, which is used over here. Okay, no errors, let's try. Index was outside the bounds of the array. Okay, we can see that it wrote new parts all the way here to the right. And when it came outside the border of the double array, it crashed.